Hi, Philip Griffith here with PSG Photo Solutions, and happy May Day. It's May 1st. I love May for using photos because there's plenty of opportunities to take photos. It's Mother's Day, it's graduation, it's spring. This Saturday is National Scrapbook Day. We'll talk more about that a little later in this week. But lots of opportunities both to take photos and to use photos in your celebrations, and even using your photos in giving as gifts. But it's also the first of the month, so it's time to look back at March or April and cull through and clean out the duds, the duplicates, near duplicates, the screenshots that you really no longer need, and tag the best photos, making sure that they get moved to your photo hub, that one central place on your computer or external hard drive that you own and have physical control over, so that they're safe. And then make sure that your backups are working and getting all the digital files on your computer backed up. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Love to talk to you and hear what celebrations you're doing this month and how you're using your photos. Talk to you soon.